Innovated by Hanon Group, T860 Automatic Titrator, compact integrated design. All integrated into one housing. It has a zero-dead volume rotary valve, multi-status indicator lights, splash-proof design, and liquid drainage system. The reagent bottle has an effective seal. The burette resolution is 1/48,000th. Routine maintenance operations are modularized. It supports one-click quick start for experiments. Historical data can be viewed. Detailed data of all titration points can also be viewed. It can support manual endpoint setting. Method library can store and access multiple methods. It has custom formula editor. The reagent library can store commonly used titrants. User management with 4-level permissions. Multifunctional titration bracket. Allows for close placement of electrodes. Export results in PDF, Excel via USB. Supports wireless and wired printing. Hanon Group. Visit our official website at www.hanonlab.com.